Welcome to my YouTube channel Dinesh Detail. Today I explain Honeywell Thermostat how to lock and unlock. This thermostat included basic mode and advanced mode. Everyone normally using basic mode. This thermostat advanced mode everyone don't know how to use. Today I explain how to use advanced mode. Press and hold mode button and temperature up button 2 seconds. Now your thermostat running setup mode. Now select setup 22. Now your thermostat is running 22 setup mode. Now you show in thermostat number 0. Number 0 means all option is now unlocked. Setup 22 number 1 is fan mode lock. Only fan lock. Your thermostat number 2 fan and mood option lock. You can't change any mode, cool, heat and fan mode. Number 3 temperature up down buttons and fan button and mood button, all option, and power button also now lock. Your thermostat now all option now lock. I will show you now main menu. Okay, we have to go back again main menu, press mode button and volume up 2 seconds. Now your thermostat come in main menu. Now your thermostat showing see lock. Now your thermostat all option now lock. Mode lock, can't change. Fan button press, you can't change. Temperature up down button press, you can't change. Now your thermostat all lock. See, now power button also now lock. The power button also now lock. See, your display is indicating lock mode. Okay, I will show you now how to unlock again your thermostat. Press mode button again like this and volume up button 2 seconds. Your thermostat now again setup mode running. Now you have to select 22 setup mode. Press mode button only 1 2 3 like this 22. Okay, now showing 22 option number 3. Option number 3 means all option is now lock. I am select now setup number 22 option 2. Again come back main menu, mode also lock, only running now temperature adjustment button only. Fan mode lock, mode also lock, only running temperature up down button and system on off button only. Again setup mode, setup 22 option 1. Again come back main menu, Now fan mode unlock, mood lock, temperature up down button unlock. Again setup mode, setup 22, option 0. Again main menu. Now your thermostat showing all mode unlock. Now not showing lock. Fan working, mood also working, temperature adjustment button also now working. Now your thermostat normal mode running. System button also now working. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel Dinesh D Tech.